No, ang tanong natin, if ever, isang life insurance lang yung gusto mong kunin, or kung meron kang kukuhanin ng isang life insurance, ano dapat yon? Right? So the topic is, ito yung dapat na life insurance meron ka. Alright, okay ba yun? Right, so I know it's lunch na, but I'm glad that you're here today. No, talagang energetic kayo. Would it be okay if I just have a quick background, share with you my quick background? Sige po, next tayo. I'm DJ Dimaliuat. This is my background. And then next, I graduated from Adamson University. I was also an engineer by profession, industrial engineering. Right? And then I went into the sales industry. And lucky enough, at a very young age, I earned really well in the sales industry. And then around 2010, about 13 years ago, we started our own company. Next po tayo. It's called Driven Marketing Group. It's a real estate marketing company. So we've been running this company for the past 13 years. Right? And then after that, 3 years after, I was invited in Film Live. Can you see the next slide? Ayan. So it's an AIA group of companies. So 10 years ago, so 10 years na ako sa industry, 10 years ago, it's called Film Live. I was invited because, you know, katulad din nyo siguro, as even though I have my own set of skills or background, I'm also looking for something new to learn. Sino rito gusto rin matuto ng bago? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, may nagtataas na, nakaka-relate na sila sa akin. That's good. Right? So that's what I did. And I didn't expect that I really learned a lot of things that I didn't know, even when I have my own business. And even though I am already a graduate of a five-year course. After that, also, part of my background, can you click next? I am also a business consultant. I have some SME clients doing training and also how to increase their sales and profitability. I also have a book. And then another one, can you click next? You can also find me in YouTube. Right? You can search my name, DJ Dimaliuat. I talk about business and life insurance there and a lot of different stuff. Right? So enough about me. Let's talk about you guys. Alright? Sige, next po tayo. What we do here and what you should be doing. No, lahat ng merong trabaho or magkakaroon ng work, right? We need to be doing financial planning in our whole lifetime. Sino sa inyo rito gusto magkaroon ng work, job, or business up until they retire? Kumikita sila, tama? Perfect. Meron ba rito gusto nyo kinikita nila mauubos? Or gusto nyo mamamanage nyo yung perang na kinikita nyo? Gusto mo manage, tama? Perfect. Right, so when we talk about financial planning, these are the 4 major goals that we need. Can we click next? Right? The first thing, next. The first thing that we need to talk about, can you click next po? Right, is income protection. By a raise of hand, how many of you here are breadwinners? Breadwinners. Taas ang kamay, breadwinners? Yeah, may mga nagtataas. Magiging breadwinners. Yung mga estudyante na pagka-graduate nyo, alam nyo kayo yung magbibigay ng pera sa family nyo. Meron? Nakaka-relate? Magiging breadwinners. Perfect. Ay, bakit ko tinatanong? You know, as breadwinners, ako, I'm a breadwinner as well. Nakadepend sa atin yung family natin. Alright? So, kapag nawala yung income ng isang breadwinner due to death or disability, kasama yung income niya mawawala, paano yung, isipin niya paano yung family niya? Right? So that's a very big problem. So that's why we need to buy life insurance. No? Para mapalitan yung income just in case something happens. Because life insurance is risk management. Next po tayo. Can you click next? The next thing is health insurance. Right? Ang health insurance is very important. Why? Sino rito gustong magkasakit? Meron ba? Wala. Sino rito sigurado hindi siya magkakasakit in his or her lifetime? Meron ba? Wala din. So that's why we want to make sure that we are protected. So health insurance is also another major part of the financial planning process. Right? Next po tayo. Next. The next thing that you need to plan is for education ng kids. Sino na rito may mga anak sa audience? Taas ng kamay, may mga anak. Katulad ko, I have 2 kids. Ayan, sila sir. Ayan, meron. Planong magkaanak in the future. Ayan, sila ma'am, meron. Diba? Sa mga seaman daw. Tama ba yung biruan dito? Marami daw panganay yung plano. Nagbibiro kami ng ibang students, yun daw ang gusto nila talaga, no? But whatever that is, do you also agree, whatever that is, marami kang anak, isa lang anak, or you're also a responsible person, tama? Gusto mo silang mapaaral. So, education is a guaranteed expense. Alright? Gagastusin mo rin talaga yan, either now or in the future. And lastly, can you click next? Retirement funding. Sino dito gusto, after years working abroad, or even here, you're doing business, when you retire, yung naipon mong pera mauubos lang din. Sino rito gusto ganun mangyari? Wala. Pero how many of you know people that when they retire, after a few years, naubos na yung perang na pag-ipunan nila? Meron ba? Right? Tama? So that's part of the financial planning process. Lahat siya important. Would you agree? Lahat itong apat na importante. Pero ang tanong, ano yung importante para sa'yo? What is the most important thing for you right now? From age 20, when you graduate in school, up until age 60 or 65, when you retire, it's important that you plan all of this for. Do you agree? Right? Pero one at a time. Right? I've seen a lot of people, when we talk to them, meron ka na bang insurance? Meron na ako. And then they're not interested anymore. Right? Pero hindi eh. Dito na nga alam, may at least 4 ka dapat. Hiwa-hiwalay dapat yan. There are some life insurance policies, health-related siya, pero VUL din siya. Pag winidraw mo siya for education, hindi ka na rin insured ng health. It's not the right way to do financial planning. So I want to share with you the right way. Paano ba dapat mag-plan against life uncertainties? This family right here in the middle, imagine this is your family, okay? And then marami kayong pangarap, tama? So let's click next. So syempre gusto natin magkaroon ng bahay or more houses, savings, cars, travel, di ba? Education ng kids. Lahat siya may mga pangarap tayo, tama? And then, next tayo, it is protected by our income. Kaya, nakakaipon tayo, lumalaki yung savings natin and yung mga assets natin because you have the ability to earn income. You're alive and well. Okay? So while alive and well, makakapundar ka. Tama? Minsan you invest, nalulugi, minsan naki-scam, minsan okay lang. Nakakabawi. Tama? Because you have the ability to earn income. However, we have life uncertainties. Can we click next? We don't know if we will die too soon. Right? We might, we don't know. Next. Or we be sick or disabled. Hindi natin sure kung pwede mangyari. Another thing. Or we live too long. Diba? Hindi ka namatay na maaga, yun ang gusto natin. And you live too long. You retire at age 60, you live up until age 90. 30 years ang kakukuha ng pera. So ang nangyayari, even hindi natin gusto, nagiging retirement fund natin yung mga anak. And we don't like that to happen. Maybe some of you, ngayon pa lang, hindi ka pa gumagraduate. Diba? Plano na kagad, ikaw ang bubuhay sa family mo. Hindi nila kasalanan, no? But maybe they are not educated well in the past. Let's change the cycle mula ngayon, okay? So what do we do? What should we do next? Right? Pag nagkaroon ng sickness, for example, no? Sige po, next. Pag nagkaroon ng sakit, mawawala yung income mo. Kung wala kang insurance, for example, pwedeng maubos lahat na ipondar mo. Would you agree? Yung savings sa bangko magagalaw. May property ka, you need to sell. Right? Business mo, you need to sell. Alright? Possible mangyari. Kung wala ng pera, kailangan mangutang. Tama? So that's very dangerous. So what do you need to do next? You need to have at least 10 times of your annual income for life insurance. Right? That's a rule of thumb in financial planning. If you're earning 1 million a year, your goal is at least lang ito, 10 million a year. 10 million total, maybe more. Why? If you will ask me, if your income stops, paano yung family mo? Now, how do you want us, let's say in AIA, how many years do you want us to take care of your family? 5 years lang ba? 10 years? 15 years? 20 years? How many years? Right? Maybe more than 10 years. Tama? So 10 years is the minimum. Next. Health insurance naman should be at least 5 times your annual income. Para may pera ka para gumaling at habang hindi ka nakakapagtrabaho kasi may sakit ka, you have still money to provide for your family. Do you like that? Is that way a responsible way to take care of your family? Yes or no? Right? Do you love your families? Yes or no? Right? So this product, life insurance, is not just about invest. It's not about that. It's actually the wrong way of taking a look at it. It's about love and responsibility. If you love your family and you know you're a responsible person, you take care of your family. Next. There's a study that the top cause of bankruptcy in the whole world, this is in the US, this chart, but in the whole world, is medical bills. Alright? Bakit? Dito sa Pilipinas, libre ba healthcare natin? Hindi, negosyo po ang hospital sa Pilipinas. Sad to say. Tama? Sad to say. So, ikaw ang kailangan mag-alaga sa sarili mo at sa family mo. With your future self. Alright? Because healthcare is the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the whole world. Next. So let's talk about health insurance. Kung merong isang life insurance na dapat meron ka, health insurance yung dapat yun. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, dapat may health insurance ka. Right? Very important. Next tayo. Whether you're young or old, you need health insurance. Do you agree? Whether you're single or married, you need life insurance. Some people would say, single ako, wala akong dependent, I don't need life insurance. That's fine. Pero dependent mo yung sarili mo. Tama ba? Pag nagkasakit at wala kang insurance, magiging pabigat ka sa ibang tao. Do you like that? Most likely hindi. Breadwinner or YOLO ka ngayon, it doesn't matter. Right? You need health insurance. So that's one thing that I really would want to stress in this talk right now. If there's just one message, right? Kumuha man kayo sa amin o hindi, get a health insurance for yourself. Yun yung pinaka-important. Next. When we talk about health insurance, dalawa lang yan, mainly. You need critical illness coverage. Pag nagkaroon ng critical illness, may makukuha kang lump sum. Or you need hospitalization coverage. Pag na-hospital, no, may magbabayad ng bills mo. Alright? Or ideally both, syempre. Tama? So let me just share with you briefly some of our products. Can we take a look at it? Right? Next po tayo. One product that's really one of my favorite is AIA Critical Protect. Right? Just brief lang. It's a critical illness coverage up to age 100. Very few, and we're the first in the market, very few in the Philippines na up to age 100 covered ka ng critical illness. Right? Kasi yung sickness daw usually lumalabas at old age. Alright? So wala tong investment. This is not a VUL plan. So wala tong investment, mainly focusing on health. Next. Balik pa pala tayo. Kapag hindi nagkasakit, ever, that's what we want, it converts into a life insurance. So wala po siyang tapon. Right? So that's AIA Critical Protect. This product at my age, I'm 36 right now. Siguro mga nasa 36,000 a year lang siya. 3,000 a month. Sulit ba yun? Tignan mo yung age mo, mga ganun yun yung annual premium niya. Sulit ba siya? For a 1 million coverage. Of course, if you want bigger, mas mahal. Maganda ba yun? Sobrang sulit niya. It's a responsible way of doing things. Next po tayo. If you want hospitalization, we have AIA Medicines. It's like a health card type product. From 500,000 to 4 million annual benefit limit, yung pwede mong merong coverage. Every year yung pwede mong magastos. Right? So, health card plan siya, perfect for SMEs and freelancers. Or kung gusto mo meron kang sariling health card, hindi provided ng company, okay siya. Right? So, it starts about less than 30,000 for the 500,000 a year, no, na coverage. Maganda ba? So that's our health coverage.
Videos like this, if you like learning something about investments, these types of topics, you might be the person we are looking for. I'm building a team of people who would also like to learn and then teach it to other people. Yes, our product is life insurance, but we want to learn, to teach you how to sell life insurance the right way. So that your clients will be happy, they will not be, it will not be painful for them na feeling nila nalugi lang yung pera nila just because they don't understand or it was not explained the right way. So we are looking for you. We're looking for people, the next breed, the new breed of financial advisors. If you are interested, reach out to me, to my Facebook page. Just go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat official or just search DJ Dimaliuat. And if you like this video, if you feel this video has been of benefit to you, don't forget to subscribe in this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button. It helps this show to more people. Or probably you can also share this with your friends and tell them that this video has answered a lot of your questions